Hi, I'm Curtis. I'm that BERNINA Guy at Stitchin Heaven. Before I get started today, please follow us, like, subscribe, and share us with any of your friends. So today I'm going to be talking to you about this 480. And what's happening is the foot needs no adjustments. The foot when it was being used, got turned over or turned to the left, so now it makes it look a little funny, and your presser foot may turn enough to where your needle will start striking the side of the presser foot. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to do a quick adjustment and then get you back on track, and then you'll be back to sewing your project in no time. So in this case, you want to take your needle out so that's not in the way, and then you're going to take a T20 Torx. It should have came in your kit, and this is the little tool that will perform this job. So you're going to go behind to the inside. There's a screw on the top of the presser foot. Then you're going to loosen it, and then once you have it loosened, then your foot is going to be able to swing left, right, and it's also going to be able to go up or down on the presser foot shaft. So you're going to have to do two adjustments essentially with this, and I'm going to lift my foot up. I'm going to make sure I got it straight, and then I also want to make sure that this is going to be fairly tight. So when I put the presser foot on, it gets a nice tight. So I'm going to tighten it up just a hair. And then, once I get it to the point where, and usually I only want it about halfway, so that way I know it's a little bit snug and it's not going to go anywhere when I start sewing on the machine. So once I got it tight, check your alignment, make sure it's straight, and then you should be ready to go. If you have any questions, give us a call at Stitchin Heaven. I'm that BERNINA Guy at Stitchin Heaven. Like, share, follow us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate it. Have a great day.